Hi, I'm Marv Eisen, and I want to talk a little bit about a technique that many professional traders use called the Taylor book method. 50 years ago, George Taylor took a look at markets. Now, they were grain markets, but his principles apply equally to other markets as well, and certainly the futures market. Taylor observed that market cycles were comprised of a buy day, a sell day, and a sell short day. And these market cycles, he found that over a period of time, were able to accurately determine the range where prices will trade the following day. Now, I want to give you some information about trading zones because they help quantify an area of your chart where prices will trade. Trading zones can predict support level, resistance level, and the range of prices for the day. So without getting into it more technically, let me give you an example. Good morning, everyone. Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar, and today is Friday, August 27th. And today I want to do something a little different. I want to zero in on what I call trading zones. Now, the reason that you're watching a trading video is to become a better trader, right? But what you're really looking for, what you really want, is someone to tell you where the market is going to trade. Now, of course, no one can predict tomorrow's actions, but there are ways to study price movement and price movement over time to determine a trading zone or a trading range where prices are likely to trade. Now, I have a chart here of the 5-minute micro E-mini, and this would be the same, of course, on the E-mini, from yesterday, August 26th. And there are a few things about this chart that I don't want to go into at first, but the main thing that I want to point out is this blue rectangle that I have on this chart. And within this rectangle, you see the trading range and action during yesterday's trading session from 9:30 Eastern to 4 p.m. What you need to know about this rectangle is that I created this before the market opened. That's right, I created this before 9:30 yesterday, this blue rectangle. And within that rectangle, as you can see, the market did indeed trade within this range of support and resistance. But the important thing that I want you to know, that I created this trading zone before the market opened. This can be an important consideration for all of you who are looking to become better traders and to determine where the market should trade.